Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make posts shareable on Facebook. So on Facebook, normally when you share a post, what happens is it defaults to only share your post with your friends. But if you want to change this and you want to share the post with people on or off Facebook, so you want to make it public, then stay tuned to find out how. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is open up our browser and come across to facebook.com. I'm already on the Facebook website and I'm logged into my profile. And I'm going to use this post as an example. So by default, as I say, Facebook, when you share a post, it only makes it visible to your friends list. To change this, all you need to do is find the post that you want to make public. And under your name, you need to click this little icon here, which says your friends, and it's got a picture of two people. And all you want to do is just change that to public. You can see at the moment it's set to friends. We want to change that to public. And you'll see that's changed to a picture of the globe. And you can see when I hover over, it's now saying public. So that's how you make your post shareable on Facebook. If you did find that helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to go ahead and buy a cup of coffee for the team here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.